Hello everyone, this is Jyoti here, going to present a seminar on summary of the book 6 Easy Pieces by Richard Feynman. Now, keeping a look on the author, Richard Feynman was a physicist who followed real and experimental results. Also, he approached mainstream topics in a distinctive way. He was an expert in reading nature like a book and reported without the tedium of complex analysis. The book highlights on Newton's law, Galileo's theory, Einstein's experiment, basic laws, and their correct statement of laws along with the practicality of the theories. Feynman identified 6 concepts as follows: atoms in motion, basic physics, relation of physics to other science, conservation of energy, theory of gravitation, quantum behavior. Now the question is, what should be the initial approach? That is the correct difficult conceptual ideas or the approximate simple mass laws? Obviously one will choose interesting thing, but the simplest one is the step towards understanding the first one. So at the beginning, let us get the scientific queries and their different approach. Here comes the initial concept as atoms in motion. Firstly, if it is to pass the precise ideology to the next generation, then atomic hypothesis came into picture, which contains most information in fewest words. That is, all things are made of atoms. According to biological hypothesis, everything that animals do, atoms do. Here comes the second piece, that is basic physics. In this, Feynman found that today's physics deal with aiming to see complete nature as different aspects. It is to find the laws behind experiments. Also, he suggested the meaning of understanding by imagining that the complicated area of moving things which constitutes the world. However, in an atomic world, mechanical rules such as inertia fails. So does Newton's law. It was discovered that things on a small scale behave nothing like things on large scale. That makes physics difficult and more interesting. Physics is the most fundamental study that has a direct role on development. In relation with biology, physics got the discovery of conservation of energy. However, studies have also direct and indirect interaction with physics somehow. There is a fact law called conservation of energy which states energy doesn't change, it can neither be created nor be destroyed. Taking a pendulum concept, the to and fro motion initiates kinetic energy and potential energy at certain instances. Next, Feynman found gravity says the attraction of object to object with a force which can be expressed mathematically. Galileo discovered inertia in gravity concept about the motion, whereas Newton modified this considering force as a parameter to change motion. In quantum mechanics, the electrons found to behave like particle as well as wave. That's why we can call the electrons have dual nature in quantum mechanics. Practically, there is no such device to determine the pathway of electron. However, the quantum theory is often represented mathematically. But Feynman found no such clarity why one should use maths to describe the nature without a mechanism behind it. Concluding the remark, the book is named as Six Easy Pieces, but keeping different perspectives, those six pieces are quite complex, undergoing theoretically, but while describing those with the real life example, Feynman correlated into easy intellectual aspects. However, the laws of physics are not transparent to us in our direct observation of nature. Feynman interpreted how all physics is rooted in motion of flow, the existence of an ordered universe that can be understood by the application of rational reasoning. Thank you.